Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think.
I ain't going back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that. Cause you know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug.
Well, hello, and welcome back to My Indigo Mind. This is your host, Tashana, and today, Amy, I have some awesome news. So let's get right into this video. Ew. Well, darling, just a quick little update on some new things, honey. Jasmine is still sick, of course, which she needs to just take her rest and go sit down somewhere and get better and tend to her babies and make sure the one in her belly is going to be born in the most wonderful way a new baby could come into the world. Now, hey, let's talk about it. Well, one of my favorite mommies on YouTube, actually, her name is JustJazzy, and she is an awesome mama. She's an awesome person. She's real to herself. She's open. She's honest. She's very she takes her own advice. Also, she knows how to take self accountability. You know what I'm saying? And I think that is the biggest reason why I love this girl so much. So it's been announced she is now the official third member of the Mommiana gang, the official Mommiana gang with Chrissy and Ming. So now it's Chrissy, Ming, and Jazz. They done found them another Jasmine, a better Jasmine, honey. And she is awesome to her babies. Her babies are adorable. I love all of them. They all have their little personalities. So I think she's going to fit in just fine. She's a no nonsense type of person. She's a very I'll speak my mind type of person. She has her issues and things with her child's dad, the youngest one. But for the most part, all the other dads usually, step up and do their part. Um, like any other, single parent with children, you have your issues. She has her issues with them. But as far as her being a mama, there's no question. The girl is awesome. She's very hands on. She takes her kids out. She talks to them. She actually, you know what I'm saying, has a relationship. She loves her babies. And this is evident. Okay. She's a New Yorker, which is very close to my heart and right across the water. And I think that she's going to fit in very well. She's going to give it a new breath. You know what I'm saying? So go run on over there. Go see what JustJazzy's up to. Go get you, say, if you haven't heard of her, go get you a feel for her. And show us some love. And while you're over there, just drop some purple hearts and tell her Indigo sent you. You know what I'm saying? So have a great day, people. Okay, all you mommies getting those babies ready this morning, up and out for all those working ladies with the babies, for all those mamas working from home, for all those mamas that got to go out the house to go get it. I see you. I see you. I respect it, and I love what you're doing. Keep it up, mama. Okay. Also the mommies with the one, they listen. We have a job too, okay? 1 or 5 kids is a lot. So I see you too, mama, hustling. The young mamas that's out here getting it with no excuses. I see you. The mommies that's out here busting their ass every single day to make sure their kids don't get sick, to make sure that their babies stay full, to make sure that their babies keep the house over their head. I applaud and I commend you. I see you and I see all the work you're doing, and I think it's awesome because there are so many people out here giving up and you're not. So pat yourself on the back. See that what you're doing, it may not be motherfucking surgery beach, but you are raising souls. You are raising human beings. You are raising our future. So what you're doing is important. Okay? Now, sis got to go because I got to get ready for work myself. I just wanted to come put that little announcement right here, okay? And let you guys know that I think this is going to be an awesome collab. I hope nothing goes wrong. I hope that there ain't no fugazi shit. I hope that things go smooth, okay? I just like this. I like this little gang up here. It makes sense to me. So tell me what you think about this down in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget, honey, to smack that notification bell and set it to all instead of personalized so you know when I post. But I got to go. So later for now. Bye.
What the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch. Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire. Whole